Welcome to Linux Help channel. In this video, we are going to see about Known CMS. Known CMS is a free and open source content management tool and also a publishing platform to share different types of posts like photos, notes, stories, songs, etc. It is written in PHP and can be used with any type of database. It also organizes effectively to post from the site, save links and respond to comments from the site. This tutorial explains the installation procedure of Known CMS on CentOS 8. First, I'm going to check my CentOS version. My CentOS version is 8.1. Now I'm going to download the Known CMS installation package. Once the download is completed, I extract the downloaded package by using the unzip command. Now move the Known CMS directory to Apache root directory. Now set the ownership for Known CMS. Now set the permission. Now configure the virtual host for accessing the Known CMS. Now save and quit. Now create a database for Known CMS. Now create a database. Now create a user. Now grant privileges for database and user. Now flush privileges. Once all the process is completed, restart the Apache service. Now go to the browser. Now enter the domain name. This is the welcome page of Known CMS. This is the pre-requirement for Known CMS. Now configure the site name. Now configure the database details here. Now configure the admin credentials here. This is the dashboard of Known CMS. This is the method how to install Known CMS on CentOS 8.
Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe to Linux Help channel. For more details, visit www.linuxhelp.com. For more queries, mail to support@linuxhelp.com.